Okay, Mr. Lou, you can't put the tape there
What's here?
because,
See the hole there for it?
yeah, huh?
See the hole there for it?
The bracket, right?
The plastic hole had something inside it.
Just put
It came out.
Yeah, just put it and put a wire tie. Because without wire tie, because this is like a signal,
Yeah,
so you cannot put something that. So we're gonna put here like this, 2 wire tie, and then I want to see first if the code is still there or not, because we just plug it in. We're gonna program it first. This 2017.
How do YouTube? What are YouTube like?
You have different scanner for each car?
Yes, you must. To scan the car correctly. Okay, here. I believe this piece. Yeah, I know the piece you put it there. They wrap it with the tape. You shouldn't wrap it. You should put it clear, because it's a signal reader. He put it and he wrap it because they're supposed to have a bracket that is sit in it. I don't see the bracket there.
You don't see the bracket or the new one or the old one?
Look how they put it in there. They put it very bad. You know, like they
Well,
wrap
they
it.
put it
They
very
wrap.
bad, right?
They wrap it with a tape. You cannot wrap it. You have to leave it clear because it's a sensor. No bracket. You need to get the bracket. That sensor. I'm gonna see if I have any code or not now. I plug it in. That piece you cannot put a tape and turn it. You have to put something good, connect it.
I think I'm gonna catch you another time, right?
Yeah, it's better because the way you see me here,
See you very busy.
it take you some time before I come to you.
Alright.
Unless if you wanna wait. Okay, let's see now.
Alright, I'll check you later, right?
No problem. Put a new one. On.
You do that. This you.
The only problem I know is when this piece sitting, you don't need nothing next to it. If anything come next to it, hitting like a mirror. So when you put it, you have to be free. Mr.
You do YouTube?
Yeah.
You do like
Yeah.
uploading and stuff?
Yes. So Mr. Lou, let him just put it there. I don't see no code now.
Yeah, no
All the code is disappear, but I don't know if it's gonna. Before you remember, he give you I here, right? Letter I here, like something wrong. But here I just see this one here is on. You see there?
problem. Yeah, I see.
But this supposed to be there.
supposed to be there.
Yeah, but this one, like malfunction, I don't see that. You see right now here, no code at all. Everything is clean. The other one, you have a code that's malfunction, but this one it doesn't have. So let him fix it, and then we take it from there.